What is going on, you guys? Me again. I've been out since 6 AM on this bike. I am knackered, but right now I've just come from the Bikeshed motor show, left, got changed, and met my friend again. Now we're going to the Bikeshed party. Bit of VIP action apparently. Yeah, recently I've been super busy. You guys are getting vlog after vlog after vlog, so enjoy. Enjoy. I don't like all this traffic, I'll tell you that for one. I definitely don't like this. Try and get through this safely. Yeah, definitely don't like that. You have to focus so hard when doing this because you get a bunch of stupid drivers. Dear. Get through that safely. So yeah, we're going to Bikeshed right now. Little party, little catch up. Yeah, should be chilled. Dressed up for once, changed. Bit of red on. Nice tea. You know, a little something. So yeah, that is what we are doing. Who do that? Yeah, man. Next to people in those situations. Absolutely hate it. Yeah, that's fast. Let's get going. That is what I like to do. So yes. Anyway, it's a great day. Went to Brighton, rolled it out, met all my adventures with Ducatis. I'm sure if you watched the vlog before this, you got to see it all. I don't know if you can understand me because I got a balaclava on. But anyway, great day. I'm tired, I'm deeply knackered, but you know, whatever. I'm having fun, so this is content for you guys. If you guys know how much mileage I'm racking up on this damn bike, right, it's actually crazy. Crazy, I'm telling you. I don't care. It's content and I don't intend to sell it. So yeah, it's all good. Anyway, let's get through this. Guys, riding is actually so much effort. So you got to look around and be cautious. Bloody hell. Freaking absolutely tiring. What's up? I love that bike. Swear, you look good on that though. Are you going to the Bikeshed? Yeah, you going there? Yeah, that was good though. Wow. Swear. I'll come back on you. Is that your bike, yeah? Damn. Zavi.
A pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Naran.
Naran.
Sorry, I've got my music on, moment.
No, you're good, you're good. Cheers.
What's your name?
Zavi.
Gavin.
Zavi.
Gavin.
Sit on it, see how tall, see if you can flat foot it, it's tall.
This is my bike.
Swear.
This is my baby.
Damn.
This is my dream bike. I want this bike. This is my dream bike.
How's it going, brother? Zavi, nice to meet you, bro. Oh, jeez.
A few moments later.
My brother, I'll see you soon, my bro.
Thank you, my
Take it easy, bro. Have a good one, yeah? Good to see you, bro. Take care. Shoot, my bro.
Alright.
No, I'm gonna go down that side. But to East Sunday, I'm gonna get East tonight.
Where you at?
Colony Lounge. East Sunday, yeah, that way. Take it easy, brother. Guys, that's it. Bikeshed's done for the night. I am knackered. I need to go in and rest. I am done for the day. Jeez, we've done so much riding, right? I need a break. So yes, I'm gonna go have a break. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. Got a little bit of footage and yeah, I'm smashed, guys. So I'm clocking out from now. Peace.